The inspiration, amazing flowers from florabundance.com and mangoes. I know, what a surprise, but pair the two and you get a fabulous design. The inspiration, beautiful mangoes. Well, they aren't super ripe. When you cut them, you can see the yellow flesh, not as bright yellow as you would want to eat, but perfect for designing. The flowers, everything from florabundance.com. Got kale, lisianthus, grevillea, garden roses. Variety is garden romance. Then foxglove, and one of my favorites. Look at the foliage. Isn't it great? So many different things. Let's get started. For the mechanics with the fruit, using the Oasis Floral Adhesive and shish kebab skewers. If you place those into the fruit and then secure it with a dab of glue. Now, I don't need that much length, so cutting it down and repeating, second in and a bit of glue, and do that on each piece and let it dry. Then the foliage, pulling it apart, getting a nice long piece. And you can see Dysflexus is amazing. Give it a cut, place it in, and then wrap it around. Repeat that. Placing it, repeating, placing, and it covers up your base. All done, ready for flowers. Once the mangoes are totally dried and ready, you can just place them in, just where you want them. With the mangoes in place, you can go back and add in your flowers. The foxglove, framing, coming inward, repeating, and on the opposite side, pulling the eye to the focal emphasis, then coming in with the kale to add impact right in the center. Drawing the eye into the design. And then you're ready to add the rest of the flowers. Now comes the fun. When you have your form, your line, and your emphasis, you add contrast. Maybe it's the grevillea. Picks up the color so well. Cutting it down, tucking it in. Maybe it's a little bit of the lisianthus. Breaking it apart, picking up the yellow from the center, adding in. And then the deep red, the garden romance rose, so beautiful, so long lasting, and picks up the depth of color, pulling your eye towards the emphasis, adding a little more contrast, and then adding one more, the foxglove, to add a little movement towards the front. The recipe, I started with a base of Dysflexus. I ended up using 4 stems once I had it all filled in. Then the foxglove, 5 stems to create the framing. Then added in the grevillea, 3 stems. The garden romance, garden roses, 3 stems. And then lisianthus, 2 stems broken apart to place around. The kale, 3 stems to finish it off. Everything from florabundance.com. Combining food, mangoes, and flowers gives you so much more. You'll find more creative inspiration with food and flowers on our website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there. But now it's your turn. Find your favorite things, create an arrangement. Be sure to take a picture and post it on social media, #Floral Design Institute, so we all can see what you do as you do something you love.